Hello students, welcome to the next video of Hornbill of lesson 5, the alien planet, the green movement's role. Paragraph 5th of this lesson. Let's see its reading. A 3-year study using satellites and aerial photography conducted by the United Nations warns that the environment has deteriorated so badly that it is critical in many of the 88 countries investigated. There can be no doubt that the growth of world population is one of the strongest factors distorting the future of human society. It took mankind more than a million years to reach the first billion. That was the world population around the year 1800. By the year 1900, a second billion was added, and the 20th century has added another 3.7 billion. The present world population is estimated at 5.7 billion. Every 4 days, the world population increases by 1 million. Fertility falls as incomes rise, education spreads, and health improves. Very good lines, students. One time more. Fertility falls as incomes rise, education spreads, and health improves. Thus, development is the best contraceptive, but development itself may not be possible if the present increase in numbers continues. Now, before the explanation of this paragraph, let us see some words related to it. As aerial. In American English, aerial, that is antenna, you can see a long metal stick on a building, car, etc. that receives radio or television signals. That is, antenna, you can say. And when it covers the picture as radio or from television, then it takes aerial photographs. Investigated means to find out. A murder was reported and the police were sent to investigate. Investigated means to find out. Right? Means to search something. Investigation is going on. Here the meaning of investigated means to find out. Let us use this word in sentence. A murder was reported and the police were sent to investigate. Or a group of experts are investigating the cause of the crash. Distant means to change the shape or sound of something. I am sorry, please. The word is not distance, the word is distort. Again, see the word distort, D-I-S-T-O-R-T, to change the shape or sound of something so that it seems strange or is not clear. As her face was distorted with grief. The lady was sitting and she was in grief temperament, and thus her face was looking, or her face looked completely changed, distorted. Contraceptive. Good word, as you might know, as a drug, device or practice used to prevent a woman from becoming pregnant is called contraceptive. Now let us see its explanation. As the author has already warned about the impending severe disasters brought by the decimated trees and depleted forest land due to humans' greed and need. As natural resources are being unduly exploited to meet the need of excess population. Author warns the humans about the danger caused by the critical environmental conditions. A 3-year study plan started by the United Nations by using satellites and aerial photography aware us that the environment has declined so badly that it has reached up to a critical condition in many of the 88 countries which were investigated by it. There can be no doubt that the growth of the world population is one of the strongest reality that make the future of the society awkward by raising the worldwide problem of feeding as well as to meet need of the extra people. It is a reality. It took mankind more than a million years, that is 10 lakh years, to reach the population first billion. It was the world population around the year 1800. It continued up to this number. By the year 1900, a second billion was added, and and by the 20th century has added another 3.7 billion, and it is estimated that the present world population is 5.7 billion. Now students, estimate and guess about the fast rate of the growth of population. Thus, every 4 days of the world population is increased by 1 million. Now the author suggests to bring the population growth under control very positively. He has concluded that the rate of population growth falls as incomes rises, education spreads, and health improves. As these three things, growth in prosperity, knowledge-filled mind through the thoughtful meditation, and disease-free healthy body, provide peace at heart and do not allow the mind deviate towards the animal pleasure derived from the sexual engagement. Thus, development, that is development in income resources, at least education at university level, and good physical health tends to make a person happy, enlightened, and a cultured one. Thus, the development is the best contraceptive to check the population growth, but unfortunately, development itself may not be possible if the present increase in numbers of people continue to increase. Let's see paragraph 6 of this lesson. The ailing planet, the green woman's role. Paragraph 6. See its reading. The rich get richer and the poor beget children, which condemns them to remain poor. More children does not mean more workers, merely more people without work. It is not suggested that human beings be treated like cattle and compulsorily sterilized, but there is no alternative to voluntary family planning without introducing an element of coercion. The choice is really between control of population and perpetuation of poverty. The population of India is estimated to be 920 million today, more than the entire population of Africa and South America put together. No one familiar with the conditions in India would doubt that the hope of the people would die in their hungry hutments unless population control is given topmost priority. For the first time in human history, we see a transcending concern, the survival not just of the people but of the planet. We have begun to take a holistic view of the very basis of our existence. The environmental problem does not necessarily signal our demise. It is our passport for the future. The emerging new world vision has ushered in the era of responsibility. It is a holistic view and ecological view, seeing the world as an integrated whole rather than a dissociated collection of parts. Now, students, see some words need to be related of this paragraph. As beget means to achieve or to have. Condemns, very good word, condemns, and it has several uses in language. As condemns, punish, to punish also, to speak in opposite, to speak in against or to see the negative point of something. It is also called condemn. To have the critical point, critical view towards something is condemn. For example, Francis Bacon, the father of English essay, writes in his famous essays of studies, crafty man condemns study, simple man admire, and wise man use it. Here the word crafty man condemns study means the crafty, the cunning people, okay, the people with Malay salt, cunning people speak against study. They don't see any good in doing studies or making effort for knowledge as middle or graduation level, or you can say any level of the education. They condemn it. They talk about negative things of this. Okay, so here students, condemns word is very good word, and you can find the use of the words in speaking language also in the day-to-day conversation, and you must understand the use of this word according to their use, according to the place and time. As one meaning punish, or to say strongly that you think something is very bad or wrong, and as दोष लगाना, right? Now students see the word in sentence. A government spokesman condemned the bombing as a cowardly act of terrorism. Again, a government spokesman condemned the bombing as a cowardly act of terrorism. Right? Now see next word, compulsorily means necessarily. Sterilized means to perform an operation on a person or an animal so that he or she or it cannot have babies, that is sterilized. To make other word of this word, other meaning of this word, to make somebody completely clean and free from bacteria, that is sterilized also. As sterilized knife and a sterilized knife or sterilized weapons, etc. Operation weapons. Alternative, other options and other way to. Alternative. Voluntary, that is self-desired or willed on his own. Coercion. Coercion means to restrain, are to pursue an unwillingly or an unwilling person to do something by force. To pursue an unwilling person to do something by force is coercion. Perpetuation means everlasting or never ceasing. Priority, that is first choice or first place. Transcending, that is going further than the usual limits of something. Transcending means going further than the usual limits of something. Coercion, that is relationship. I'm sorry, again, concern is, that is related to. Holistic view means it has other meanings, as it can considered as a whole thing rather than a collective of parts. It has not the ethical view as taken from holy. Holistic means to take something as a whole rather than parts. As a holistic approach to living. And when this word is used in the terms of health, then treating the whole person rather than just the symptoms of a disease. Holistic treatment or medicine or healing. Demise, that is extinction or death. Asar means a person who shows people to their seats in a theater or in a cinema hall, that is the service of an asar. Okay, as has ushered here, has made entered into the era of something in the age of 20th century, etc. Now see the explanation of this paragraph. As the author thinks, development is the best contraceptive, but development itself is not possible with the present rate of population growth. Due to growth in number, the rich get richer, the poor have liabilities of children to provide for, to look after them, to care for, which punish them to remain in painful poverty forever. The poor think more children, more hands to work. But it is not correct. More children does not mean more workers, but merely more people without work. It is so, as modern developing world needs efficient skilled workers are implied, which are made only by good education and through proper training system, which is beyond for a poor struggling family. So growth in population is a great hurdle in the path of development. It can be suggested that human beings should be treated like cattle and sterilized compulsorily as them, but there is no alternative to self-willed family planning without introducing an element of threat or force. It is because the choice is really between control of population and everlasting poverty. What we are going to select, whether we are going to select the control over population or select everlasting perpetual condition of poverty. The population of India is estimated to be 920 million today, that is 26 years ago, and it is more than the entire population of Africa and South America put together. Non-familiar with the conditions in India is growing critical. Non-familiar with the conditions of population in India as in India this condition is going to become critical. If the increasing number of population continues, then the hope of the people would die in their hungry hutmates, that is family members, and it may continue until the population control is not given the topmost priority. Throughout the human history, we see a transcending temperament among the elite first time, that is the educated as well as sophisticated society of a place or of a city. They are called elite people, and this, as we see and have a investigation of the historical period throughout the whole human history, we see a transcending temperament among the elites first time who have started discuss on several platforms the survival not just of the people but of the planet. We have started to take whole view of the very basis of our existence. The environmental problem does not necessarily signal our extinction, but it is like a passport that we carry in the land of future. Mind students, in the land of future. The growing up new world vision has led us in the era of responsibility. It is a holistic view, that is to look as a whole, not in parts or fragments. It is an ecological view, that is to seek a link of interrelationships among the living beings. It is a view to see the whole as an integrated whole rather than a different association of a collection of parts. Students, let's proceed on the next paragraph of this lesson, paragraph 7. Let's see its reading. The last paragraph. Industry has a most crucial role to play in this new era of responsibility. What a transformation would be effected if more businessmen shared the view of the chairman of DuPont, Mr. Edgar S. Ullard, who 5 years ago declared himself to be the company's chief environmental officer. He said, our continued existence as a leading manufacturer requires that we excel in environmental performance. Of all the statements made by Margaret Thatcher during the years of her prime ministership, none has pushed so decisively into the current coin of English usage as her felicitous words. No generation has a free hold on this earth. All we have is a life tenancy with a full repairing lease. In the words of Mr. Lesser Brown, we have not inherited this earth from our forefathers, we have borrowed it from our children. Now, students, see some words, some difficult words related to this paragraph as crucial, that is extremely important, as early diagnosis of the illness is crucial for successful treatment. Early diagnosis of the illness is crucial for successful treatment of a disease. Continued, that is adjective, and it means everlasting, going on without stopping, as there are reports of continued fighting near the border. Again, there are reports of continued fighting near the border. Excelling, next word excelling, surpass. manufacturer. Manufacturer means a person or company that makes something is called manufacturer. A car manufacturer. Decisive. Decisive means making something certain or final, as the decisive battle of the war. Other meaning of it, having the ability to make clear decisions quickly is called decisive. A man of decisive temperament. As seen word, it's no good hesitating. It's no good hesitating. Be decisive. Felicitous, that is able to touch our feelings. Able to touch our feelings. Freehold, very good word. Freehold, that is the fact of owning a building or piece of land for a period of time that is not limited. Did you understand? A piece, the fact of owning a building or piece of land for a period of time that is not limited. Do you own the freehold of this house? Tenancy means the use of a room, flat, building or piece of land for which you pay rent to the owner is called tenancy, as a 6 months tenancy. Or it says in the tenancy agreement that you can't keep pets. Now see the explanation of this paragraph. Industry has to play the most important role in this new era of responsibility. This is the age of responsibility and nobody can escape from it. A transformation would have exerted big effect if more businessmen shared the view of the chairman of DuPont, Mr. Edgar Woodward, who declared himself to be the company's chief environmental officer 5 years ago, said, "Our everlasting and never-ceasing existence as a leading producer requires that we should be ahead in environmental performances." Margaret Thatcher made several statements during the years of her prime ministership, but among them none has passed so surely and quickly as her cordial words into the current coin of English says, as no generation has a freehold on this earth. All we have is a lifelong tenancy with a full repairing lease. It means no generation of human beings have absolute right of ownership on earth. Whatever the portion of land they own, that is a lease given by God or nature, on the conditions of no harm or damage. If it happens, then they will have to leave it full repaired to the next generation. Such understanding is expected to save the planet Earth, fit as we found, for the survival of the beings, fit as we found, live as you found. This feeling is well expressed in the words of Mr. Lesser Brown. We have not inherited this earth from our forefathers. We have borrowed it from our children. It means we don't have freehold ownership on this earth, but we have to return it to our children safe and sound after using its resources reasonably to meet the need of our survivors. Thanks students. We will see in next video of the next chapter. You will have PDF of the question answer in next video of this lesson, and afterwards we shall proceed on the next lesson, the Browning version. Thank you.